Hello friends, today we are going to start standard 9 subject maths 1 that we are going to see practice 2.4. I'm sharing a PPT. Welcome to all of you in my class. I am Mr. Thiri ST. Today we are going to study about standard 9 subject maths 1 in that chapter number 2 real numbers. Topic is rationalization of the denominator that we are going to see compulsing practice 2.4. Let's see. Examples. Question number 1 is multiply. That first example is root 3 into root 7 minus root 3. Second example, root 5 minus root 7 into root 2. Third example, 3 root 2 minus root 3 into 4 root 3 minus root 2. Solution for first example is root 3 into root 7 minus root 3. You have to multiply root 3 whole bracket is each and every term bracket root 3 into root 7 minus root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 7 means 3 7 the 21 means under root 21 and root 3 into root 3 which is the 9 under root 9. Therefore root 21 is not a perfect square. 9 is perfect square. 9 is square root of 9 is 3. Therefore root 21 minus 3. So we can write it as minus 3 plus root 21. Therefore minus 3 plus root 21 is the answer for first example. Okay. Second example in that is root 5 minus root 7 into root 2. Multiply whole bracket to root 2. Root 5 into root 2 and minus root 7 into root 2. Root 5 into root 2 means 5 to the 10. Root 10 and root 7 into root 2 is 7 to the 14. Root 14. Root 10 and root 14. 10 and 14. Both are not perfect square. Therefore, we can't find out the square root of this. Therefore, under root 10 minus under root 14 is the answer. Second example. Third example, 3 root 2 minus root 3 into 4 root 3 minus root 2. Multiply each and every term of first bracket to second bracket. 3 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus root 2 minus root 3 into 4 root 3 minus root 2. 3 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 into root minus root 3 into 4 root 3 minus minus becomes plus root 3 into root 2. Multiply 3 into 4 rational number into rational number and irrational number into irrational number. 3 into 4 and root 2 into root 3 minus 3 into root 2 into root 2 minus 4 into root 3 into root 3 plus root 3 into root 2. Multiply 3 4s are 12. Root 2 into root 3 into the 6 is root 6 minus 3 into root 2 into root 2 means 2 minus 4 into root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus root 3 into root 2, 3 to the 6, root 6. Therefore, 12 root 6 minus 3 to the 6 minus 4 3 the 12 plus root 6 as it is. Now, addition and subtraction of like terms only. Can add or subtract only like terms. Therefore, minus 6 and minus 12 will become minus 18 and 12 root 6 plus 1 root 6. 6 is common, therefore, is like term. 12 plus 1 is 13 root 6. Therefore, minus 18 plus 13 root 6 is the answer for third example. Got it? Okay. Next question is second question. Rationalize the denominator. Our main topic is this rationalization of denominator. How to rationalize it? Now the denominators are given in irrational form. We have to rationalize it. How can we rationalize it? Let's see. First example, 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. Second, 3 upon root 5 minus 3 root 2. Third is 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. And fourth is root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. Examples are given. In that solution for first example is 1 upon root 7 plus root 7 plus root 2. Conjugate pair for this is root 7 minus root 2. If there is plus, in conjugate pair is in minus. If here it is minus, in conjugate pair of it is plus. Multiply to numerator and denominator both by conjugate pair of denominator. Fraction. Then 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 into root 7 minus root 2 upon root 7 minus root 2. Value doesn't change. Okay. Let's multiply root 7 minus root 2 upon. Now root 7 plus root 2 and root 7 minus root 2 means a plus b and a minus b is there. Therefore, use formula here a square minus b square. This root 7 square minus root 2 square. Root 7 square is root 49 and square root of 49 is 7. Root 2 square is root 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 7 minus 2. Root 7 minus root 2 upon 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 is the rational number. Got it? Second example, 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Similarly, we can solve second examples. 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 into conjugate pair of denominator is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon is equal to multiply 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon a plus b and a minus b in the denominator here. Multiplication of these a square minus b square, that is 2 root 5 whole square minus 3 root 2 whole square. It is equal to numerator as it is 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon. Square of 2 is 4 into square of root 5 is 5 minus square of 3 is 9 into square of 2 is 2. Therefore, again numerator as it is 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 4 5s are 20 and 9 2s are 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. Numerator as it is. Therefore, 2 is the rational number. Got it? Third example in that is 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. Again, conjugate pair of denominator is 7 minus 4 root 3 multiplied by minus 4 root 3. And denominator both. 4 into 7 minus 4 root 3 upon. Again here it is 7 plus 4 root 3 and 7 minus 4 root 3 means a plus b and a minus b is there. Formula is a square minus b square. 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. Then we will get 4 into 7 minus 4 into 4 root 3 upon 7 square is 49. 4 square is 16 into root 3 square is 3. 4 7s are 28 minus 4 4s are 16 root 3 upon 49 minus 16 3 the 48. 49 minus 48 is 1. Denominator is 1. Therefore, answer is 28 minus 16 root 3. Got it? Next, last example is root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. Conjugate pair of root 5 plus root 3 is root 5 minus root 3. Multiply by numerator to numerator and denominator to root 5 minus root 3. Root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 minus root 3 equal to numerator of both the fractions are same bracket is there, therefore times multiplication of root 5 minus root 3 means root 5 minus root 3 whole square is there. root 5 plus root 3 and root 5 minus root 3, a plus b and a minus b again, a square minus b square, that is root 5 square minus root 3 square is equal to root 5 whole square. Here, in numerator, a minus b whole square is there. Formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Use it here. Root 5 whole square minus 2 into root 5 into root 3 plus root 3 whole square upon root 5 square is 5 and root 3 square is 3 is equal to root 5 square is 5 minus 2 into 5 into 3. 5 3 is 15, root 15 plus root 3 square is 3 upon 2 as it is equal to, now 5 plus 3 are the like terms, add them. 5 plus 3 is 8 and minus 2 root 15 as it is upon 2 is there. Now separate the denominator. Divide 8 and 2 by 2. 4 the 8 and 2 on the 2 like this. Therefore, we will get upon 2 on the 2 is there, 1 is the denominator. Therefore, 4 the 8, 2 on the 2, 15. That is 4 minus root 15. The answer of fourth example. Understood? Okay. I think you can understand all these examples. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and Mitra. Like and share my videos. Thank you, all of you. Thanks for joining my class. Thank you.